public interest litigation matter, challenging the actions of the police to give directions to remove the loudspeaker from the mosque has been challenged. There is a judgment of the Calcutta High Court Division Bench judgment that Azan is allowed subject to strict compliance of the loudspeaker can be used at the time of Azan, subject to sound decibel which has been given. That has been given by the rules and by the court. And in terms of that, that was continuing. Now the state government through the police, without passing any directions, official directions, public notice, written order, they are removing the loudspeakers from the mosque. Correct? Now, therefore, this petition has been filed. Today the matter was heard by the division bench presided over by Justice Topopudra Chakraborty, and the Advocate General of the state of West Bengal sought time because he has not got the instruction. Although the notice was served on Monday itself. The matter has been fixed on Tuesday. Tuesday matter would be heard.
So, was any chatter?
Not yet, leave it.
So,
That when at the time of my argument, firstly you was trying to advocate, trying to intervene, that I objected. Thereafter he has made his argument. Then when I was giving reply, he was passing comments. Then when I was giving the reply and I sat down, he has said, advocate has said that choti chatter. I have to say, he is book chatter. Subhendur book chatter. After this chewing the shoes of Subhendu Adhikari, he has become Advocate General. He has said choti chatter.
Sir, but did you ask for any interim order?
Yes, I have. The court has fixed up the matter on Tuesday. His Advocate General doesn't know any constitutional law. He is good in civil matter.